Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study the third part of Browning version, which is the last part of this chapter. Yes, students, you can see the picture. This is the picture of a public school in London. It shows that the scene takes place in the school as it is related to the teachers and students. The chapter's name is Browning version, which has been written by Terence Rattigan. Before starting the chapter, we must know the highlights of the previous part. Discussion between Taplow and Frank. Students, as you know that the scene opens with Taplow. Taplow was waiting out of the staff room. At that time, Frank comes and he asks him many questions about him and Mr. Crocker Harris. In this way, they discuss a lot about both. Next is Taplow's criticism of Mr. Crocker Harris. Means Taplow criticizes Mr. Crocker Harris. He says that he is a strict teacher, sadist and fastidious. He never declares the result before official announcement of the result by the head teacher, and he is not, and he never tells the students about the result before declaration. Next is Mr. Crocker Harris's personality. Here both of them talk about the personality of Mr. Crocker Harris. Not a sadist, not a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain to others. It means that Crocker Harris is not a sadist. Who says this? This is said by Taplow. Taplow says that he is a person who gets pleasure out of giving. He is not a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain to others. Means he never gets pleasure, happiness, giving pleasures to giving pain to others. Here you can see the picture. A person is torturing. In this way, he is getting pleasure to give pain to other. In this way, he is not such a person. He never gives pain to others and takes pleasure. Next is better than other teachers. Taplow tells him that he is better than other teachers. Means he never beats the student. He only gives punishment according to his own way. Not a pleasant person. Actually, from inside, he is not a pleasant person. He is all shriveled up like a nut. Means from inside, he is shriveled, shrunken. He is not of big heart. He is not a kind person to the others. In this way, he is a shrunken and shriveled up person. He hates those who try to like him. Means he hates even those persons who likes him. In spite of his strictness, he likes him. The example has been given here. One day in the class, he told a joke in Latin language. No other students could understand the meaning of the joke, and Taplow was also present there. He laughed at the joke out of common politeness because he did not want to make unhappy to his teacher. So to make him happy, he laughed so that he may understand that he had understood the meaning of the joke. Mr. Crocker Harris appreciates, praises him that it's a good thing that he has improved his understanding of Latin language. He says that he must share the meaning of the joke to other students. so that they may understand the meaning of the joke. In this way, what happens? Now, when he was telling this, Millie Crocker Harris arrives there. Just as Taplow was relating this incident to Frank, Millie Crocker Harris comes from outside suddenly. Millie Crocker Harris, who is the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris, she enters the room, and you can see the picture here. She is actually slim, smartly dressed, beautiful, and late 30s. Carried a shopping basket. She had carried a shopping basket with her, and she put it on the sideboard. Taplow gets nervous. No sooner did he see the means Millie Crocker Harris, he gets nervous. He was shocked. He was surprised. She must have overheard his comments on her husband. Now he got scared. He was afraid that she must have heard giving comments on her husbands, and this is not good for him, because if she told him about this, he would not give him his remove, means he would not promote him. So he was scared about this. If she complained, he would not promote him. Next is, she tells that he has gone to Bursar's house and may come late. She tells Taplow that he had gone to a treasurer's house and he may be late. He may come late. She suggests him to go and play at least for 15 minutes. Now she suggests him that he must go and should play for 15 minutes because he will come late, and gives him a prescription. First, he hesitates to agree with the suggestion of Mrs. Crocker Harris. Then she gives him a prescription to get prepared a medicine from the chemist. Actually, in this way, she wanted to help Taplow. In this way, he may go outside and enjoy the day and enjoy the play. And next, Taplow hesitates, means Taplow does not want to go because his teacher is very strict. He would follow him to the house, and in this way he hesitates. And next, Millie assures him that she would take the blame for his absence. Millie Crocker Harris assures him that she would take blame. He must not be afraid. He must go. She will take the blame for his absence. Taplow leaves for chemist shop. Now he became free and fearless and went outside for the chemist shop. Now, dear students, the assignment has been attached here. You can see this, and after reading the chapter thoroughly, you are to try to answer these questions. How does Taplow recount the incident of Crocker Harris's joke in the class? You are to tell this. What does Taplow think of Mr. Crocker Harris? Means you are to tell that he was a good judge of teachers and persons, and he calls him hardly human. Next is, how does Taplow finally get his freedom? You are to tell how Mrs. Crocker Harris helps him to get freedom from there. In this way, now thanks for watching this video.